Okay, we're back with another book review. We're doing lots of vintage 1930s, 40s, 50s fashions. I purchased this online without seeing the inside of the cover or the inside of the book, so I have thumbed through it a little bit to check it out, and it's pretty decent. Again, this is why I do these videos, so that, you know, if you're looking for certain pictures and content, then I can help you find it. All right, so this one is 8 3/4 by 11 1/4. And here is the spine. And fashions of the decade of the 1950s. The ISBN number is 0-8160-6721X, and it's by Chelsea House Publishers. So it's by Patricia Baker. All right, so let's take a look here. This was a library book that was withdrawn. This is a 2007 edition. So again, if you're doing retro journals or you're looking for vintage fussy cutting, again, I found this book on, I believe, thriftbooks.com. I always pick the worst condition because I know I'm going to cut it up. So I only pay like $2 or $3 for the book. So again, here is some fashion. Here is some vintage ads. And this is a glossy paper, if you don't mind that. And again, you can get some deglosser if you want to do that. Here's some more pictures. Look at that lady I can fussy cut out. Here's another beautiful one to fussy cut out. I like those. Look at that. Love that. Just lots and lots of beautiful fashion. If you're looking for ladies, look at the shoes, girdles. Oops, did I skip a page? Yep, I did. All right, so there was that book. All right, Fashion of a Decade, 1950s. It was by Patricia Baker. A little bit different of a book. All right, thanks.